Welcome, here I've got ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to tap on them now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see, now by using them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here, let's just simply slide a little bit down, and here we have set volume key as option. So when we tap on it, we can pick from shutter, which is now, zoom or flip camera. So we have three options we can use here. Let me change this now to zoom to see how it works different. Let's go back to the camera, and now let me try to tap on these buttons once again. As you can see, by using them I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom now. Now let's move again to the left corner, let's slide down and pick once again set volume key as option and flip camera. So let's go back to the camera to see how it works. This is really cool thing, because now when we use these buttons we can change the position of our camera at this device. As you can see, this is how to use this, and we can open our camera, go to the selfie, as you can see, high, and also close this, and from the back it looks like that. I think this is really cool way to change this by using the volume keys here. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.